Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this small video I am going to show how I made a profit of ₹1000 with a simple price action in Bank Nifty options trading. Today the Bank Nifty is having a bit medium CPR. Even though the market opened bit gap up near this weekly support, this horizontal green line which you are seeing is the weekly supports. So even though the candle opened above the weekly CPR, daily CPR, I didn't went long. I waited for the right opportunity. Again it faced the resistance of the high of the candle. It fallen. Again it took support near the bottom CPR because the Nifty was showing support near the top CPR. See, the Nifty took the support near the top CPR. So Bank Nifty followed Nifty. So then when the Nifty started facing resistance near the high of the candle, this is the Bank Nifty chart. Here, even though this green candle broke the weekly support, but it was facing resistance near this high of the candle. And even Nifty showed some bullishness in the afternoon section, but I didn't went long. Usually, whoever seen like breaking this previous day high and this monthly support, they would have went long. See, this green candle broke that pivot, but I didn't went long because the Bank Nifty was facing resistance near the high of the candle. So when the bearish candle appear near this weekly support and this doji green candle appear near this weekly support, I went short, means I bought PE here and I booked my profit near this daily central CPR. Sometime it touches the central CPR and take the support, and it may go sideways and again it may fall. Instead of waiting, I booked my profit near this next pivot. But as you can see, if I waited, I could have made more profit. But as it was met with my risk to reward, because I kept a stop loss of 20, because I kept a stop loss here, this high of this candle, and I booked my profit near this central pivot. So making a profit of ₹40 points. So keeping a stop loss of 20 points and making a profit of ₹40 points. So this is how I made a profit of ₹1000 in Bank Nifty options trading. Usually people have asked like how I make a decision based on the candlestick pattern. Usually I take a help of Camarilla pivot. This is the Camarilla pivot of R3. It is inside the top CPR. So I knew today the market going to be a sideway or volatile, because here it shows that the buyers and the seller strength. So even though the market opened above this gap up opening, but here the seller showed the strength. See, yesterday the market crashed from there. So usually the seller will take the market down. So again here buyer took the charge, again they took the market up, but here again seller took in charge and they took the market down. So by seeing this Camarilla pivot, I usually make the decision by keeping a stop loss and I take a trade. Usually sometime I do see this SGF Nifty also. This is the SGF Nifty chart. As you can see, it usually delayed by 10 to 15 minutes chart for Indian time. So when it opened, this 9:15 candle opened near this top CPR. I knew that it will face resistance near this monthly support. And one more chart I do see is the India50. This is like a Nifty 50 chart that usually trade in the US market. So when the 950 candle, this chart we get as a live, as a SGF Nifty usually delayed by 10 to 15 minutes, but this India 50 chart we get a live. So when this 950 candle opened below this R3, that is near below this previous day high and the resistance, I knew the sellers are in charge of this today market. Even though it took the support and it faced resistance near there. Even though this candle broke this weekly support pivot, but here the R4, that is the Camarilla pivot R4 is there. So I knew there going to be a seller's strength. So based upon that probability, I went short, because the trading is all about probability. You have to keep your stop loss and you have to take your trade. If your trade works, you will take your profit. If it doesn't work, you will take your stop loss. So that is how the trading works. So based upon this, like this, I make a decision, and I am going to show my profit screen of today's trade. This is my profit screen. As you can see, I made a profit of ₹1000. If you like this small video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, friends. Thank you.